The Honeywell Smart Home Security Outdoor Motion Viewer lets you extend your smart home security system so that you can keep an eye on the front door, backyard, or garage. This outdoor motion viewer works with your smart home security system with a long-range detection up to 23 feet with a 90-degree field of view. Included night vision means it's on watch around the clock and is equipped with a 2-year battery life. When motion is detected, your smart home security system will play sounds such as a barking dog to make your home appear occupied and deter intruders, or play a simple alert tone to let you know someone is approaching. This motion viewer is also pet-friendly, so small animals up to 79 pounds will not cause false alarms with the pet-friendly smart detection. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.